welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is on a delicious summer meal. This is a tortellini salad. Super quick and easy, minimal ingredients, and it comes together, packs up well that you can take to the beach, take to the pool, to work for lunch. It's delicious. It's quick and easy, and a lot of the stuff you can just get at the store and put it together in under 30 minutes. I have here, let's go over the ingredients first of all. I have here some dried tortellini. Feel free to buy fresh, and you can make this as big or as small as you want. I just tend to have, or like as much as you want. I just like to have an abundance of this kind of stuff that I can pick at in the fridge. Some arugula here. This is baby arugula. I love the taste of this, but you can feel free to sub for spinach. Some mozzarella pearls. I have some heirloom cherry tomatoes just because I love the look of all the different colors in the pasta salad, but you can use all the red ones if you want. And I have some corn. This is really good because it's using seasonal ingredients. It looks beautiful, it's fresh, and it tastes great the more it sits. I am going to be dressing this with a pesto salad like kind of dressing, and I came up with this because I was flipping through my phone on pictures that I took of food that I've made just for a little inspo, and one of the pictures was like a pesto pasta salad, and then another one was of like a tortellini with corn and tomatoes, and I figured why not fuse that together and create a pesto tortellini pasta salad with these summertime ingredients, and it is delicious. So I'm going to start by just boiling my corn. You can totally, and I encourage you, if you were grilling the night before or the day of and you throw some veggies on the grill, add them to this because I've done that and it's so good. But I don't have my grill on today, so I'm just gonna be boiling the corn, and in the same water, after I remove the corn, once it's cooked, I'm gonna boil my tortellini until this is fully cooked. In the meantime, I'm gonna put together my dressing, quarter my cherry tomatoes just so I get a little tomato in every bite, and put this all together. That way, all we have to do is add the tortellinis, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that, and we'll come back. Everything that I want is in the pasta salad. You can add other things, bell peppers, cucumbers, but this combination is what I love, and it's what I had when I first created this recipe. So if you are a lover of pesto sauce, by the way, you could probably hear my daughter in the background. She woke up from her nap. This is real life, but I wanted to make sure that I got these videos up for you, so she's in the background. But if you are a lover of pesto, you could totally just drizzle the pesto on and call it a day. To me, I love pesto, but it's really rich. So I like to add some acid to cut the richness and the fattiness. Any vinegar works, but I prefer either white vinegar or red vinegar, red wine vinegar. Today I'm using the red one. And I'm just gonna add a little bit to the pesto sauce. It's gonna kind of thin it out a little bit and make it more of like a pesto vinaigrette, if you will. So I'm gonna mix it to my liking. All the measurements are already on the blog for all of this. I'm just gonna drizzle. Dun, 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 dun. Gorgeous. This looks like it's not enough dressing, but you don't want it to be super runny at the bottom. You want it to coat everything perfectly and just enough that it's not overwhelming. I am just gonna mix this all together. Even though it looks beautiful like this, yeah, I'm gonna mix it. Look at how gorgeous this is. Beautiful presentation, it's very inviting. I just love the look of this. This with some watermelon is like heaven. This is like summer in a bowl to me. So I'm gonna just, this is not exactly a serving utensil, but I'm just gonna take a little bit with some tomatoes, the arugula. I want a bite of everything. So let's do it. Perfection. And like most things, as it sits, it gets better. Trust me. I am known to have this in the fridge and snack on it to the point where I don't even put it on a plate. I just kind of snack on it right in the container, and then it's all gone. And where did it go? It wasn't me. So I hope you give this a try. It's so easy. You saw how quick it was to put together, and you can customize it to your liking. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more. I've got some great stuff coming up. Hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post a video, and follow me on social media. I got Facebook, Instagram. You can find me by searching The Bite with Jackie. All the directions and ingredients are always on my blog, so you can go there and you can find that in the description box down below. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Bite.